Hello YouTube, thought I'd do a quick video here. If you've been waiting for some of my interface boards to become in stock, good news, they're back in stock. I would highly recommend you get one now, as I've been posting on my store website. Some of these models of interface boards will no longer be available, and they're going to be replaced with a newer version. Like for an example, let me grab my fancy pen here. This one right here that only did the Retevis RT97S or the Midland will be, when I run out of stock, this is going to be no longer available, and it's going to be replaced with this board here, which can do 3 models of repeaters, not just 2. Now, for that matter, I also may be changing things here again. The Bridgecom interface board down here will also may become not available, and I also may add that to the all-in-one interface board, which would be this one right here. If I do that, I will update the web page, obviously, but right at the moment, what I'm going to be doing is, like I said, this one here is going to be discontinued pretty soon, and it's going to be replaced with this one here. So so that's, and I kind of mentioned this on the website. If you was to click on this one here, you saw the warning I kind of was mentioning what's going to be happening. Now, I may do the Bridgecom that way also. I haven't decided, but I thought I'd just kind of give you a heads up about what's going to be happening here. And I do have the boards back in stock, so go ahead and grab whichever one, and I can get it out to you ASAP. So that is the news there. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. Please subscribe. Thank you, and have yourself a good day.